I thought it'd be fun to show you guys my jewelry collection. And I also just recently moved. In that process, I was going through my jewelry and I realized how much jewelry I actually have. And I gave a lot to my sister and I donated a bunch, but I still have so much. So that's why I'm making this video, so I can show you guys my jewelry collection. All of my social medias will be linked down below in the description box. I'm just gonna get right on into it. Okay, so welcome to my closet. I spent so much time on my closet because I really wanted to make it look super cute, and I had this idea to make it like kind of a get ready station since I don't have like my own bathroom anymore, which I used to in my old house. So I decided to make a little get ready station and I am so proud of it. This is actually my old photo grid, so I decided to give it a use and I love it. It looks so cute. Okay, so let's start with my ring tray. This one is like my favorite ring at the moment. It's from Pura Vida and it's their little gold wave ring. I can't tell you guys how excited I was to get this. Look at that. This is also available in silver. Most of my jewelry is gold, as you will probably notice, but a lot of things are available in silver. I love this ring. I got it from Claire's and it has a little star on it, and I think this matches so cute with like a bunch of my Brandy Melville star chokers that I have. I have this one with little arrows and I think it's so cute because it like reminds me to keep going and power through tough times. I don't know, it just makes me so happy because it's just a reminder to keep going no matter how like hard things get, because it's an arrow. This ring was given to me by my aunt for my 8th birthday, I think, and it's a little bow. I think it's really cute. That's one of the only like silver things I have. Then I have this like little silver heart ring from Claire's. I have this little ring. It's just like this really pretty silver like detailed ring, and it looks like sparkly, but it's just like detailed, and I think it's so cute. I have a plain rose gold ring, and then the last ring I have is this gold one with like diamonds. Sorry if you guys can hear my cat. This ring is so cute. So it's gold and it has little tiny little silver diamonds, fake diamonds by the way. It's so cute, and my dog and cat are going crazy. My dog is sneezing, my cat is meowing. It's okay. I'm gonna move back over to the window, but I thought I would show you this before we move over there. This is my little grid and I think it's so cute. It has all of my necklaces. These are all of my necklaces. I feel like I have the most out of every jewelry. I have the most necklaces because I don't know, I just like prefer to wear necklaces because bracelets, I like wearing bracelets like these, but I don't really like call that jewelry. I don't know, those are like friendship bracelets. These are all my necklaces. Let's get into it. This necklace is so pretty. It has little gold stars on it, and I got this when I went to visit LA, and it is so pretty, guys. I love it. I also have, wait. I also have the same thing. What? One of these, I have no idea why I have two. I also have this star choker from Brandy Melville. It's the one with the bigger stars. This one is one of my go-to necklaces. It is so pretty and it's actually a choker. Most of my necklaces are chokers. I just prefer it. This next necklace is this one, and it's actually my mom's, but I thought I would show it because I think it is so cute and I want to get one for myself very soon. She got this at this little boutique that used to be by our old house, and it is so cute, but I'm sure you guys can find this on like Etsy or like online or something because it's pretty simple. It is gold and it has a little cross that just like hangs there. I think it is so pretty and like simple, but so cute and elegant. And just beautiful. I love that. I love that necklace. And this is my cross necklace. It is from Brandy Melville and I think it is so beautiful. It's gold and it is beautiful and I love it. And this is actually not a choker. It's like an actual necklace. This is my only silver necklace, guys, but it's a choker and I got it from Claire's. Hey. Hi. I just want to say hi. Okay. That silver one is actually from Tilly's, and so is this one. It's just like came in a pack and it's really pretty, but it's really cool because it's like twisty. Then I have these two gold star chokers from Brandy Melville that are so cute. I have this puka shell necklace, which is so cute, and my mom and sister got it for me from Tilly's. I think it is so cute, especially like with this t-shirt, like a brightly colored t-shirt. I have this little starfish necklace that I bought for my sister when we were like, I don't know, I was like 7 or something, but we used to be obsessed with the show H2O, and I remember, like, if you ever watched that, you remember they had like the little lockets. I always wanted to have like a necklace that me and my sister like both had, like matching ones. So we went to Claire's and I bought this, and I still think it's cute. My last necklace is just plain white and beaded, and I actually made it myself. Oh, I didn't show you guys this ring earlier, but it is a rainbow ring, and it was given to me by one of my besties, Ella, and it's actually her birthday today, so happy birthday! I just love this. It's so happy. Like, this just makes me so happy. The next category of jewelry is, I don't know if this is considered jewelry, but it's an accessory, so clips. I have a lot of clips actually, so I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite clips. So this one is my sister's, and I think it's like really cute, and she lets me borrow it a lot, so like I thought I'd share it. And then the same thing in like a little clippy version. And then I have this one with like pearls on it, which I think is really cute. These two were in a little pack from Nordstrom that my aunt got me for Christmas, and this one is so pretty. It's like pink glitter. I use this one all the time to like put my hair back. I have this little heart one, and it's like the weirdest fastener, like to put it on your hair. It goes like that. I think this is so cute. And then these last two clips were given to me by my sister, and she actually got them as a gift. It actually came in like a pack of 10, so I just begged her for these two. This one says dream and this one says hope. I think these are so cute. I just love it. I think it's so cute and it's so inspiring and happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe down below if you aren't already, and follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Please leave any video requests that you want me to make in the comments, because I would be so happy to make them. Keep smiling, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.